Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Prius rear wiper. First, let's prepare. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new wiper blade. Make sure you have the correct blade for your Prius model. Find a well-lit, safe spot to work, ensuring you have enough space. This preparation makes the process smooth and straightforward, helping you get the job done efficiently and safely. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at where the blade attaches to the arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull, so avoid forcing it. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked into position. Give it a light tug to ensure it's securely fastened and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's test your new wiper. Gently lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window. Before driving, spray some water on the window and activate your rear wiper. Observe its movement and cleaning performance. Look for any streaks, chattering, or areas it might be missing. If it cleans smoothly and effectively, you've successfully replaced your Toyota Prius rear wiper. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.